video for Carrise, but usable for anybody who wants to use this inline upload submission within their work. I've just created this for Carrise. I've created previously one for English and one for maths. I'm just going to make a little addition to this. What I've done though is I've put the hidden field, the name, and a hidden field for the title, and what it's going to do is take the page title. Now I've got a feeling that this will take the title of your post, which is usually the title of the lesson, so I think this will be a useful way to automatically get a title within an upload. And of course, here's the upload. The other thing that I'm going to add is the confirmation that this is your own work, so just the checkbox. I'm just going to bob down here and just say I confirm that the work I am uploading is completely my own work. I think that'll do. Cross that, make this required. Save. Right, so what I'm going to do, Carrise, now is obviously take the Everest form ID. I can just take it from here, or I can take it from the page with all the different forms on. So I can take it from there just by pressing this button. It's copied to my clipboard, so that is there in my clipboard for me to use. And I'm going to go to that post that you were working on, that we were discussing earlier on today. But anybody, like I say, anybody who wants to do this will be able to use this same principle. This one. No, it's not that one. It's this one. So I've already done it here. I'm just going to preview this so that you can see what that looks like, so you can see what it is that we're going to achieve. I have covered this somewhere else before. I think I did it for one of Cole's, but I'm just going to go through it again, show you how that was put together. So you can see it's going to end up with a spoiler here on the right and the download there on the left. So imagine this. If I don't imagine, I'll just remove it. Let's get rid of this. Bear in mind that all this time the Everest form is there on my clipboard, so it's still there on my clipboard. So for this activity, I would like you to complete the table listed below in the attached worksheet. So we're going to create a new block, and this is going to be a column, so it's going to create two columns. So I'll just go browse all, and we're looking for the column widget thing. There it is, and we just want the two equal columns, side by side columns. Yeah, that'll do. There. So this one's going to have our download, and this one's going to have our Everest form within a spoiler. So the first thing, what we want to do is create our spoiler. So I'm just going to click on the add block here on the right hand side. I'm going to choose the classic block. Then I'm going to go to here where the shortcodes are, click that, and I'm choosing spoiler. And what you'll find is it's already got the stuff that I put in. I've put in you can upload your completed work here, or whatever it is you want on that page. So for instance, on this specific one where it's got a routines worksheet or routines PDF, you can type you can upload your routines PDF here. It's really up to you, or you can just use a generic one like this. Checking all these, you can play around with these to see what different effects they give. It changes arrows and various things. And down here, as you can see, it's already there, but this could be content. But what it's going to be is the Everest form, which is on my clipboard. So I'm just going to paste that in. So that's going to tell that Everest form to be within the spoiler. I'll just hit insert shortcode, and that's that there. And then on the left hand side, we need the file. So we want it to be a downloadable file. So I click on here and I'm looking for the files widget. That's it there. And it's previously been uploaded, so I don't need to upload it again. You need to be mindful of uploading the same file multiple times, because there is going to come a time when we are actually inundated with files. So if you've already uploaded it, you need to get it from your media library if you want to use it again. When I go to the media library, you can see that's a duplicate, that's a duplicate, some of those are duplicates, and there is actually finite files that we can have, so we do need to be mindful of this. So I'm looking for it's a PDF, so I'm just gonna search in here for a PDF. And I know it's this one, so select, and that will put that in, and I'm just going to change what this says. Childcare Unit 2 Routines Worksheet. And while I'm on this particular block, on the right hand side here, if you don't have this toolbar on the right hand side, that's why you just need to press the cog there. I want it to open in a new tab, so I'm going to click on that to open in a new tab. And that's it really. The only other thing I would put here is a little instruction for this PDF. This is specific to a PDF. I would like to complete the table list below in the attached worksheet. You can complete the PDF within your internet browser, then download it with the changes to your device, and then upload the completed PDF below, and then save this as a draft. And remember, this says Childcare Unit 242 Routines and Activities. Let's preview this. Preview tab. So you can see that's the end result. So there's the downloaded worksheet, which will open in a new tab, and there's the inline uploader with the tick box at the end. We're just going to test this out, so I'm just going to click on here, which, like as you see, opens it up in a new tab. It's an edited PDF, so we can actually add our stuff to it. And then up here, where we've got our download button, I might have to do an instruction for pupils for this, but I'm just going to press that, and it gives us the option to download it with your changes or download without your changes. And I'm going to press download with your changes, so that's going to download that onto my computer. I'll just put that on the desktop. So Childcare Unit Routines. So that should be saved on my computer. I normally get a confirmation at the bottom, but let's just see. Go back now to here, open up my upload, click on there, go to the desktop where I saved the file, and there it is. Open, tick my box, and submit. So that should have gone. So now when I go over to Everest Forms, I should have a upload there against this form. I did one earlier, so there'll be two now against this form. So you can see the two there. What I'm interested to see is the title, whether or not it's taken the title from the page, which remember was about routines, and it had it was this unit 242. So that's basically what I want to see, what that looks like when I view it, and then when I export it as a PDF. So hit view, and it shows it as an inline upload submission, which is what my form is called. My name's automatically captured, and what's good is this title has taken it from the post. So this is going to be really useful for all of you there. And then that's the uploaded file. So let's just click on the uploaded file and see what that looks like. And as you can see, the saved work is there.